So there's been a layout leaked about a possible coaster coming to SeaWorld San Diego, possibly in the near future. This could possibly be a 2023 project, but nothing has yet been confirmed, so this is just a speculation what we could possibly see. We could see something like this going to SeaWorld San Diego in 2023 or 2024. Now, they haven't really started construction, but it's going to the old Wild Arctic simulation ride. And that ride is no longer a popular attraction at SeaWorld San Diego, so they're planning to take it out of there. So they're planning to get an Intamin jet ski coaster like this one. Right close to Journey to Atlantis and right next to Emperor. So if you ride Emperor, you're probably gonna walk by it if you're coming from the entrance to the park. So it's going to be on the right side of the park. So if you just go down straight and you turn right and you're facing going to the right side, it's going to be right in front of you. Now they're not sure if they're going to completely remove the building, but they could possibly use that for station use. So what this means is they have to be very creative, which means looks like the launches and the layout will use up this parking space as well, like what they did to Emperor. So they're gonna strip off this parking space here and they're gonna build a track right above it and the supports. So they're going to get another launch coaster. Now people are saying it's going to be an Intamin jet ski coaster like the what is that ride called at SeaWorld in Australia? I forgot the name already. Let me know in the comments. I forgot the name. But and like Wave Breaker at SeaWorld San Antonio, they might get something like that. Here at SeaWorld San Diego, my bad, SeaWorld San Diego. So it's good to getting another launch coaster. This is actually more family oriented, so it's not gonna be too extreme. It shouldn't really have any inversions. You're really gonna feel like you're in a jet ski, but however, this is not themed to jet skis. This has something to do with penguins, like rescuing penguins. So the theming could possibly be maybe rescuing a penguin in a snowmobile. Possibly, maybe they're gonna make the terrain maybe like a snow type of ground. So they're gonna probably cover up with fake snow or something like that, and so the coaster is gonna go under or off it. Or who knows, they're gonna put some rocks like you're in a mountain trying to save a penguin or something from falling off a cliff or something. You know, it should really make sense because this is the ride. So if the theming doesn't make sense, it wouldn't really look good. So they gotta know what they're doing, and I'm sure SeaWorld knows what they're doing. So hopefully there'll be theming on the line queue as well. So expect the coaster to open. Well, I haven't heard any announcements. So expect this ride to be open by 2024. Nothing's been confirmed, but there is a leaked layout in Screamscape showing off the possible layout. And I'll show you the picture in just a minute here. So this is the Wild Arctic ride. So in case you didn't know, it's actually a simulator ride where you sit in and watch a video of the penguins, and they talk about how they rescue penguins, stuff like that. So that ride will probably be removed and be replaced with a roller coaster, and that simulator will be taken up with the track and the loading station. So instead of the simulator, you will now see the roller coaster. So for that, you're gonna board in your snowmobile, and you're gonna go through 4 launches according to what they said on Screamscape. So, you know, they're gonna have 4 launches, I guess. No, 3 launches. Correct me if I'm wrong. So, yeah, this will be a triple launch coaster by Intamin. So we should expect construction to start possibly in 2023, and it should be opening by spring of 2024. So, like I said before, let's hop on and show you guys the picture of the layout. Coaster that's going where Wild Arctic will be. This is going to be the new coaster. So as you can tell, Looks like it's gonna have 4 launches instead of 3. So in yellow will be the launches. So this is going to be the layout. As you can tell, it's a twister layout. So it really does a lot of maneuvers and turns. So you're really going to feel like you're in a jet ski or some kind of snowmobile. So this coaster is more family. It's kind of similar to Manta, but this one is a lot different. And of course, by saying that, this is going to be an Intamin jet ski coaster. Now, I could be wrong. This could be not a jet ski coaster, but according to the layout, it looks like it's going to be a jet ski coaster. Other people are saying this might be the B&M Surf Coaster, or this could be a mock multi-launch coaster, but I don't think that's going to be the case here, because why would the mock multi-launch coaster have a lot of maneuvers like this? So, as you can tell with Wavebreaker at SeaWorld San Antonio, they have a lot of turns, so it could be something like that going to SeaWorld San Diego. So first off, you're gonna turn around the station, you're gonna wait for a few minutes, possibly a few seconds, then you're gonna proceed to your first launch, and it looks like some kind of like S kind of airtime hill, like you see on Ruler's Revenge after that corkscrew. You get a little bit of airtime, something like that, and then you're gonna do some crazy turns again. You're gonna do this S bend really low to the ground. Looks like you're gonna do a lot of turns, and then you're gonna slow down a bit, and then you're gonna go to your second launch. Then you'll probably do some kind of bank turn or something like that. Then you're gonna do some turnaround low to the ground, and then you're gonna go into a helix, looks like, and then you're gonna go to a straight track. Looks like it's gonna be filled with some airtime. Another low to the ground turn, slows down a bit, and then you go to your third launch. Wow, this is a lot of launches. This is the most launches on a coaster. So then you're gonna do some crazy turns again, and then you're gonna go to your fourth launch, and the ride should be almost done. So it looks like a fun ride. Like I said, this is just meant for families. So if you're a coaster enthusiast, this will probably be a walk-on. Probably will be fun to ride. But I highly doubt it's going to be the best ride at SeaWorld San Diego when it opens. And it looks like this is an updated version of that Intamin jet ski coaster going to SeaWorld San Diego next year, 2023 or 2024. It depends on SeaWorld. But looks like there's going to be down to 3 launches instead of 4. So pretty much the same layout, except they probably shorten the ride time and the layout. So you're no longer going to see the 4th launch, so instead you're going to just see 3 launches. That is still more launches on a roller coaster. At least the maximum launches on a coaster is only up to 2. So this is multiple. So this is really cool. So again, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to do this little, S-curved airtime hill. You're going to go low to the ground. You do some crazy turn maneuvers and turnarounds. Then you go to your second launch. You do a bank turn, turn around low to the ground, do a helix, maybe a tunnel possibly, or airtime moments. And then you go to your other launch. I hope I'm not getting confused with the layout. And then you turn around again. You do these crazy maneuvers, and you looks like there's still 4 launches. I think I'm wrong. So yeah, they're basically gonna still be 4 launches. So looks like this is just a better scale on the layout, meaning it's a more cleared and detailed layout. Looks pretty fun. Layout's pretty small, but SeaWorld is gonna get an Intamin possibly next year or 2024. That's really nice. This coaster isn't really that tall though. Expect the height to be the same as Wavebreaker at SeaWorld at San Antonio. So expect to be the same height as that. So no, there's not going to be any water. Hopefully they'll put some water maybe. But if it's going to be a snowmobile, they should put some snow for the terrain here. So what do you guys think of this coaster coming to SeaWorld San Diego? Possibly next year or 2024. So yeah. Give this video a like. And let me see what you guys think. Before I get to the video, I just want to say that this is not a confirmed layout or anything. This is not the ride going to SeaWorld San Diego, this is just a concept that somebody made. So I just want to talk about how the coaster could possibly look like. But like I said before, this is not guaranteed. So I just want to talk about the layout, how it could possibly look like. But like I said, this is just a speculation. So yeah. So somebody made a recreation of the coaster. So you're gonna launch, of course. So I was wrong. You're not gonna do an airtime hill. You're gonna do some crazy maneuvers. So I'm pretty sure this is going to be a jet ski coaster. So a lot of maneuvers and turns, some zigzags, and quite some helixes. So then you're gonna launch again. So you're gonna go up again to a bank turn. Seems to be like you're gonna do another turn. You're gonna go up and down while turning. So you're probably gonna get a little bit of ejector air. So then it looks not that fast though. I believe because it's a family coaster. So then you're gonna go to your whatever launch this is. So you're gonna go through another launch. You're gonna go to a helix going down. Then you're gonna do some other zigzag turns, and you're gonna do a lot of turns, and then the ride should be over soon. Then you're gonna go another launch once again, and do some turns going down, another turn, and more turns, and a little airtime hop, and the ride's over. So pretty slow. I understand that this ride is very slow. Sorry for the pause the video. So yeah, it's going to be a snowmobile. Just ignore those vehicles because that's not going to be the vehicles. Like I said, this is just a concept design. This is not a official layout, but this is just someone's recreation. So the color scheme looks good. I hope they're gonna paint the track white with maybe possibly blue supports. I think that would really fit in nicely with the theme. And I hope the snowmobiles will be orange or some kind of gray. And I do like the theming on it because there's rocks and some snow theming on the ground, which will make it feel like you're in the snow rescuing some penguins. So I'm hoping we can see some animatronics, maybe a penguin on the terrain here, like needing help. And I think that would really fit in with the storyline. But other than that, looks like a really unique coaster. I don't think it's going to be the best, but it looks like a fun ride. I'm probably going to ride it really, really soon. But yeah, looks pretty cool. But like I said, this is not yet confirmed. This is just my overall thoughts on how the ride could possibly look like. So I'm going to go ahead and sign off here. Hope you enjoyed. Peace out.